Hi, I'm Dr. Courtney Durham, and I'm from Texas. I met Shirley and Dr. Harper about a year and a half ago at one of the Brimhall seminars and just loved them right away. Dr. Harper treated me for several things, the adrenal reset and did some injections in my neck and the brown fat. I really was impressed with his techniques and his clarity and how simple he made everything and the diversity of what he could had to teach us. So as chiropractor, planning to integrate with a nurse practitioner, bring a nurse practitioner on board and start offering some of these services. In Texas, I'm not licensed to do this, so I needed the help of a nurse practitioner. And luckily, I've been blessed to find a wonderful nurse practitioner. So we're excited to get started. We came in here, let me just say, the most wonderful experience, guys, with Shirley and Dennis, and just feel like part of the family. They have taken such wonderful care of us. Love the town and everything about this whole experience. It's just really been great. We spent our first day and a half shadowing and watching Dr. Harper at work, and the value in that is just, it's incredible. Learned so much just watching the flow of the office, watching how he interacts with patients. He can go in there and get that empathetic connection, connect with them, and then get right to business treating them. And it's all business. And the patients get better, and they love him, and we're on to the next patient. And I love that pace and the flow of how he can work with patients, connect with them, but still be quick and snappy about it. Because we all know that we want to help people, we want to connect with people, but the more people we help, the better. So let's learn how to do it right and learn how to be efficient at it, and I think that's what he was able to demonstrate and show us in the shadowing. And then just becoming much more confident in the whole procedures and how this is supposed to happen and how it's supposed to lay out, the different conditions that we can treat. We've got a whole page full of conditions that we know we've already been demonstrated, we're already pretty good in. We're just going to fine tune it today and get the rest of the nuts and the bolts. I'm not injecting folks. In fact, I'm receiving the injections. Carrie, on the other hand, is getting hands-on training with doing the injections. So, Carrie, tell them, in your experience trainings you've done in the past, and other trainings as a nurse practitioner, how does this training compare with that?
Right. So, as a nurse practitioner in Texas, I've got 6 years of chronic pain management experience, where I was doing injections originally, but using products like steroids, which we know only really place a Band-Aid on patient ailments. So coming here has opened my eyes to other things that we can use in hopes to actually regenerate areas of pain versus just placing a Band-Aid on it. I think it's a great journey for me to go on to learn how to treat patients better and in a more healthy manner.
What about the hands-on injections?
So absolutely. So as far as hands-on injections, I've had superb training here. Most of my training in the past has been in large classrooms where you get minimal hands-on your patients and walk away, still not feeling confident. I know that as I walk away today, I will be confident in going in and seeing patients and doing those injections.
And we appreciate all of you. Thank you again. And you were such gracious guests and very sharp as doctors. So I want to thank you. And would you recommend people come up and visit us?
Absolutely. My goal as the business owner and the kind of integrator here was introducing Carrie to a whole new world. I mean, this was a whole new experience for her. But for us to leave here with clarity on what the process is, what the procedures are, and certainty, so that we can absolutely, and we gain both of those, clarity and certainty. So,
well, thank you. Look forward to you coming back again.
We do too.